Coming home to Delhi. Hmm. It is probably at dawn and dusk that Delhi offers the most beautiful part of itself. I remember as a child going away from Delhi and my grandfather's house on holidays. I remember as a child going away from Delhi and my grandfather's house on holidays to hill stations. Okay, when we returned, it was always a night journey by train. My mother would shake us awake, Dio. She will shake us awake. କାହିଁକି आज एटा को लिखिबू खातारे तापर लिभेबू आज नियर्ड ओके दी कौन नियर्ड दी यमुना रिवर दिल्ली ले जस्ट बियॉन्ड इट ओके कौन okay Delhi stage Delhi le okay just beyond it flocks of squawking minarets and parrots would be circling the pink sky as the steam train traveled towards Delhi, and soon it was time for the morning tea. Okay, so flocks of squawking minarets. Acha, tea was a simple affair, bought from vendors who marched up and down the train with a large kettle, chanting कौन जानचु डाकुले chanting hot tea. It was served in terracotta cups. Terracotta cups and no plastic matti terracotta cups that added to the sugary milky tea, a delicious flavor of their own. So it was served in a terracotta cups that added to the sugary milky tea, a delicious flavor. सेथिरे पीले भी भल लागे गोटे हैला. So that added delicious flavor of their own हैला. से माटीर सढ़ारे हैला से जो सढ़ारे पीले भी भल लागे. As soon as we had had our tea, my mother would pull out her purse and take from it a generous amount of coins. Generous amount of coins. This was a sign that the train was about to go over the Yamuna bridge. So से कौन कला and take from it a generous amount of coins. तामने मेंचे coins बाहर करे हैला. This was a sign that the train was about to go over Yamuna bridge. Each child armed with a handful of coins. हैला समस्त को दिया जाए. Would choose a position by a window. अच्छा. We would take one coin at a time and haul it onto the holy currents of the Yamuna. Haul it माने फोपाड़ दो. If the coin hit the water, our mother told us we would be blessed. हैला हमको blessing मिलियो. If padibo. If it hit a washerman beating clothes on the sandy island, ଗୋଟେ island ର ହଁ ଏଇଟା ବନ୍ଦ ନାଇଁ ହେଟା ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ଏଇଟା ବନ୍ଦ କର କବାଟ so if it hit kahaku hit a washerman okay beating clothes on a sandy island or the bridge the bridge re hit kala or it would hit a washerman ku jodi hit kala then no blessings could be expected. We would try to get our blessings as quickly as possible because the approaching city called for our full attention. Approaching city ke Delhi. Okay, so it called for okay, so it chahutla our full attention because we have to go or we have to come outside. We have to be ready for going outside. With the sun raining gold on it. Okay, sun raining gold माने sun जो किरण पड़ुची राइट sun जो रेज पड़ुची ସେଇଥିରେ gold ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ହେଲା କୋଉଠି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଉପରେ the domes and minarets okay the domes and minarets okay minarets of the 17th century Mughal capital 17th century Mughal capital एवढा सब domes गुड़ा look like they might be in a miniature painting okay तांको जिनके लागुथिला they are in a painting okay they are in a small painting miniature माने small this was my city the city where I was born and the city of my ancestors ହେଲା ସେ ସେଠି born ହେଇଥିଲେ plus it is of ancestors my heart invariably skipped a beat when I saw it invariably skipped a beat ତା ମାନେ କହନ୍ତିନି ଗୋଟେ ହାର୍ଟ ଟା ଗୋଟେ ହଁ that means हार्ट टा समटाइम मु कहूची स्टॉप हो जाए नहीं टिके समय पई कहंती हैला सडन इमोशन जो स्टॉप हो जाए हैला माय हार्ट इनवेरिएबली स्किप्ड a beat when I saw it okay Delhi India's capital city is a combination of many Delhis okay for the last 1000 years as rulers replaced each other ruler mane asile gale right one Delhi was torn down to build another okay so gote Delhi ko bhangi giri torn down to build another often with the stones of its former self okay so jo bhangi thile but it was using the stones of its former that means in the previous Delhi the new Delhi is made up okay based on the previous one it is made all of Delhi's conquerors in the last millennium the Mughals were perhaps the most glorious ହେଲା मुगल माने सबुठू मुगल्स माने सबुठू बेसी पावरफुल थे ओके with their great wealth and reputed taste they built two cities of which okay Shahjahanabad now called Old City became famous throughout the ancient world as the seat of Grand Mughal. So Shahjahanabad thila old city. Sethi Mughal mane mainly rahutile. Coming from distant places, these rulers longed for the food and the climate of their home. Okay, semane longed for food and climate because the rulers came from very long place. So they were wanting their climate, their food. So they could do nothing about the weather. Food ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜ ବନେଇ ଦେବେ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ food ଖାଉଥିଲେ ଏଠି ବନେଇ ଖାଇ ପାରିବେ. But they could do nothing about the weather. But they build gardens, water tanks, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ସେ ବନେଇଲେ and the canals. The Mughals carved marble canals. Marble canals भी ତିଆରି କଲେ that went through their palace bedrooms. Okay, and they ate their own food. As the years went by, some of their dishes were included and accepted as part of the city's local food. So some of their dishes, some of their food were included in our food. Okay, so Persian style palaus ଟା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉ ବିରିୟାନୀ ସେଟା ହଉଛି Persian style that combined meat and rice. ତାପରେ meat and rice ତାପରେ ଆଉ କଣ ଆସିଲା ସାମୋସା ସେମାନେ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ସାମୋସା ପକୋଡିज of course tea ବି ସେମାନେ they brought to India. At my grandfather's house, the men in my family learned Persian poetry and ate delicate kebabs. Okay, supposing at my grandfather's house, okay, the men in my family learned Persian poetry. Persian poetry शिखले, ate delicate kebabs. The women, though allowed some education, were kept at home for most of the time. So they were allowed education, they were taking education, but they were not doing service. Okay, when they played tennis, the entire court was cleared so that no one could see them. Okay, dashing about in flowing saris. Okay, dashing about, meaning running about in flowing saris. Okay, flowing saris and saris flowing saris and a tennis shoes. They were playing, but no one was there to see them. On cold winter evenings, a wood fire was lit in the drawing room where 3 benches stood in front of the fire. Okay, on cold winter evenings, a wood fire was lit in the drawing room where 3 benches stood in front of the fire. Okay, 3 benches. Here the children, about 2 dozen of us, okay, माने 24टा खंडे पिला would sit playing word games. हमें word game खेलिबू. Okay, जो word game तमे खेलनो. Behind the benches was a circle of sofas and a large chair. गोटे सोफा थिला. Okay, आ गोटे chair थिला. It was from here that grandfather held court. सोफारे बसिबे हैला. So से कोर्ट चलेबे. He loved to lecture his grandchildren on Delhi's history, and his best opportunities came at family picnics. Family picnics से भलो की कहती. Okay, about the Delhi history. These were held in a winter or a monsoon session, quote, in a well-tended target, a garden. But a garden well tended, garden of a 17th century tomb or a 12th century palace. These were held in winter or monsoon season. Monsoon season में भीतर हुए है in a well tended garden of 17th century, okay, tomb or a 12th century palace भीतर हुए. The entire family would go on the picnic. Acha. During my childhood, it never occurred to me that families could come in sizes smaller than 30 people. ହେଲା ମାନେ ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ ଘରେ 30 people ତ ଓକେ ବହୁତ କମ ହେଲା. Swelling easily to a few thousand at the mention of a wedding. ଗୋଟେ wedding ହେଲେ हजार हजार लोक पळे आसी बुझिपारछ. ଗୋଟେ wedding ହେଲେ हजार हजार लोक पळे आसी. Participation preparation for picnic would begin early in the morning. Potatoes in a hot tomato sauce, golden puris, warm moist meatballs and jars of pickles would be packed, okay, along with the fruit in large baskets. So it is a कौन कहला picnic हेले कौन हबो would begin early in the morning. Potato in a hot tomato sauce, in a hot tomato sauce, golden puris, warm moist meatballs and jars of pickles. Pickles माने अचार would be packed along with the fruit in large baskets. है 2 cars would stand ready, okay, gleaming in the sun. Car dita ready है. The heart of getting 30 people into 2 cars had long been mastered. केमिल तांको भीतर पुरेबे 30 people को हैला had long been mastered माने भलरे से माने रख करथिले लोकन को. The first layer consisted of short ladies and teenagers. First layer, okay. On their laps went the second layer. तांको कोलेरे बसिबे. Second layer consists of 10 to 12 years old. ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ କୋଳରେ ବସିବେ. तो ସମସ୍ତେ ବସିଲା ପରେ ତାଙ୍କ କୋଳ. Third layer consisted of all those below the age of 10. ହେଲା. The tall men sat in the front seat. Tall men माने आग सीट रे बसिबे. On their laps sat the 10 to 12 years old holding baskets. ସେମାନେ ସବୁ tall men को ऊपर बसे हैला holding the baskets and pots that could not be stopped into the trunk. Okay, जोड़ा trunk भितरे that could not be stopped into, जोड़ा trunk भितरे पसी परिबनी सेडा सेमाने धरियो. से pot गुडा से पिलाने धरियो. Once we reached the gardens of Qutub Minar, okay, the children would rush to climb the sandstone tower. Qutub Minar tower को पड़ेगे पिलाने. would rush to climb tower while the picnic was laid out on a large cotton sheet. हैला गोटे cotton sheet रे picnic was laid out. माने सब रखी दिया जे जहाँ जहाँ आसी खाद्य. Once we saw all the food laid out, we could thunder down the hundreds of steps, jostling and competing to get there fast. ओके तो आमे आग हेड की चढ़ी जाऊ हाँ पिकनिक लेड करा जाउथिबो लेड आउट एई समय पिकनिक वाज while the picnic was laid out in a large cotton sheet आमे जरे देखिबू all the food laid out सबू laid out हे गला हाँ cotton sheet रे then we would thunder down the hundreds of steps से जो टॉम रे चढ़ी की जाइचू सेठू पुणी पळे आसीबू हाँ jostling and competing to get there fast jostling ओके आमे जोर रे पूरा आसिकरी तळे कम्पीट करिक आसीबू कम्पीटिंग टू गो देयर फास्ट हैला आमे सेटे जेंदी आग पहुंचीबू हैला द फूड्स ऑफ एंड प्लेसेस ऑफ माय चाइल्डहुड कैन स्टिल बी फाउंड इन दिल्ली दिल्ली रे एबे भी देखा जाउछ मॉर्निंग स्टिल स्टार्ट एट इन ए हेज ऑफ familiar smoke sent skyward by millions of stoves and cookers. Okay, so in a haze of a familiar smoke, एटा सब सकाल सब लोक रांधती in these early hours potatoes and peas are combined with the ginger. Okay, so turmeric अदा रसुण जहाँ कह ग्रीन चिलीज लंका पोटैटो एंड पीज आर कंबाइंड ओके चपाती आर कुक्ड ओवर हॉट फायर्स चपाती तैयारी हबो हाँ एटा गोटे प्रकार चटनी है पोटैटो बटर्ड एंड स्टार्ड विथ वेजिटेबल्स तादेहरे बटर लगा दिवो स्टार्ट विथ वेजिटेबल्स वेजिटेबल तादेहरे पूरा दिवो ओके एंड ए पीस ऑफ अ मैंगो पिकल इन द टिफिन कैरियर टू बी कैरिड बाय मेनी पीपल ओके तो एगुड़ा सब नेबे आ मैंगो पिकल गोटे नेबे हैला सब जीवे कुआडे ऑन देयर वे टू स्कूल्स एंड ऑफिसेस घर को जिमान सब जीवे माने ऑफिस को काम करी कि स्कूल को they will take these as their tiffin. Okay. Just as I did on my way to